Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hairunisa Nuralia, class 9A. Golden Snail. Long time ago, there lives a king of Daha kingdom named Kertamarta. He had two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandra Kirana. Chandra Kirana was a very beautiful and keen girl, but his sister was an evil. One day, Chandra Kirana was engaged to a prince of Kahuripan kingdom named Raden Inu Kertapati, who was handsome and wise. This engagement made Dewi Galuh invite to his sister. Then she went to a witch to harm Chandra Kirana. The witch agreed to do what Dewi Galuh asked. When Chandra Kirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her. She transformed her into a golden snail. After that, Dewi Galuh threw her, which has become a snail, in the river. One day, a woman was looking for fish information the river using nets. When she was about to leave the net, she saw a golden snail transported. She brought the golden snail, went home and put in a jar. The next day, she returned to the river look for fishes, but unfortunately, she did not get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her house. However, when she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been presented at the top of the table. This incident occurred over and over in the next days. The old woman was curious. She finally decided to find out what did it to her by pretending to go to the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what was going on inside. Then she saw the snails turned into a beautiful woman and cooked meals for her. Soon the old woman came into her house. "Who are you?" asked the old woman. "I was a princess of Daha, were cursed by a witch into a golden snail," sighed her. After telling what had happened to her, she was invited Chandra Kirana to stay with her. The news of Chandra Kirana's loss made Prince Inu Kertapati confused and said he searched for her all over the kingdom by disguising as villager. The witch knew what was done by him. She was disguised as a raven to disrupt the prince's effort to meet Chandra Kirana. On his own way, Prince Inu Kertapati, helped by an old woman who was great, he hit the bird with his stick until it died. Prince Inu thanked to him. He also told had happened, the intent and purpose of his journey. After knowing what had happened, the old woman told Prince Inu to secret Prince traveled to the Dadapan village right away. After walking for days, the prince arrived in the Dadapan village. He was very thirsty at that time. Then he saw a small hut and approached it. Suddenly he was shocked because he saw his fiancée was cooking through the window. He immediately entered the hut to see her. Finally, they were both very happy because they met and magic was lost. Then the princess told what had happened to her, and she also introduced the old woman who had helped her to the prince. The prince was very grateful to the old woman. Then he threw Chandra Kirana and the old woman to the place. After arriving at the place, the king was happy because her daughter had returned. He also knew what had happened to his daughter. Knowing his sister had been found, Chandragalu ran away from the place because he was afraid of being punished by his father. Finally, Chandra Kirana and Raden Ino Kertapati were married and they lived happily ever after. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.